The other day I was watching a video on YouTube by the Yankee Marshal, and he suggested helping out Magpul by buying something from them, one of their products. I don't have an iPhone 5, so I couldn't do anything like that, but I've been looking for a while to get a new stock for my Remington 870 shotgun. So here it is, what I bought. I've got it loaded up with some Hornady SST 12 gauge slugs, 12,000 advertised feet per second, not 12,000, 2,000. Fully rifled barrel. Let's see what we can do. Felt that one. Oh, I missed. There it is.